Several theories have been proposed to explain the mechanism of evolution. One among the best theory is neo-Darwinism or modern synthetic theory. This is the most advanced theory of evolution. Darwin theory of evolution is explained in the light of genetics, Mendel laws, population genetics, and biological species concept. According to this theory, population is the basic unit of evolution, but not species, and natural selection is a result of differential reproduction and of genotypes and genes. Here, this theory was proposed by several scientists like Fisher, Sewell Wright, who proposed the genetic drift theory, Stebbins, Ernest Mayr, Haeckel, Huxley, and Dobzhansky. Here, this theory was proposed in 1930s and 1940s. The main postulations of this theory includes gene mutations, chromosomal mutations, genetic recombinations, natural selection, and reproductive isolation. This theory includes gene mutations, chromosomal mutations, genetic recombinations, natural selection, and reproductive isolation. Here you can see the main postulations of this theory. According to this theory, the modern synthetic theory says that genetic variations in a population will lead to the formation of new species. According to this theory, the modern synthetic theory says that genetic variations in a population will lead to the formation of new species. Generally, this theory, for the recollection of this theory, I have developed a mnemonic that is fresh ginger collected from MD. Here, the modern synthetic theory is a synergy or association of Mendelism and Darwinism. Here, the fresh ginger collected from MD. Fresh means these are the several scientists who proposed the modern synthetic theory. One is the Fisher, Wright, Ernest Mayr, and next one is here you can see the S means Simpson and the XLA. The ginger means the gene mutation and reproductive isolation means reproductive isolation, natural selection, and GR means genetic recombination, collected means chromosomal mutation. Here, the modern synthetic theory is the association or the participation of Mendelism and Darwinism together to form the modern synthetic theory. Modern synthetic theory. Here, the gene mutation. Gene mutation is one of the postulations of modern synthetic theory. If any change in the base sequence of a gene is called gene mutation or point mutations. They alter the phenotypic character of the individual. Gene mutations will produce the variations in the offspring. These variations in the offspring will lead to the formation of new species. Here you can see the changes in a structure of a chromosome are called chromosomal mutations. They bring about changes in the phenotypic character of the individual. These cause variations in the organisms of the offspring. Generally, the chromosomal mutations are of four types. They are deletion, duplication, inversion, and translocation. Chromosomal mutations are of four types. They are deletion, duplication, inversion, and translocation. Here mnemonic that is DDTA. DDTA means deletion, duplication, translocation, and inversion. Here you can see one by one the deletion. If a segment of a chromosome is lost, that is said to be deletion, or the deletion of chromosome in human causes Cry-Do-Chart syndrome. Duplication. Duplication means this is the addition of chromosome. If a segment of chromosome is added, that is said to be duplication. Next one is here you can see the deletion and the inversion. Inversion is the segment of chromosome is breaks and reunites in a reverse direction, that is said to be inversion. Translocation means in which the non-homologous chromosome they exchange segments and they can associate in a different way. That is called the translocation. Here, the reproductive isolation. Reproductive isolation is one of the postulations of modern synthetic theory. According to the reproductive isolation is a process which prevents interbreeding among the separated groups of individuals. The exchange of genes between the populations are prevented. The exchange of genes between the populations are prevented. This leads to the formation of new species. Generally, the reproductive isolation is of two types. There are pre-zygotic reproductive isolation and post-zygotic reproductive isolation. Pre-zygotic reproductive isolation means before fertilization. Post-zygotic reproductive isolation means after fertilization. Here you can see the natural selection is one of the driving force of modern synthetic theory. According to this theory, natural selection does not produce genetic changes in a population, but natural selection selects only better surviving, better adapted, better valued animals, better adapted animals in the nature. These selected by the nature. Nature is the dictator, which can detects only, which can allows only better adapted useful variations. These selects the natural selection, and this leads to the formation of new species. Natural selection is the driving force of evolution. Natural selection does not produce genetic changes in a population, but the natural selection selects only better surviving, better adapted individuals. These better adapted individuals is incorporated in the nature, and they leads into the formation of species. Natural selection is the driving force of evolution. Here you can see the genetic recombination, the reassortment of a gene in a large population with a large gene pool will causes the formation of new genetic recombinations. The reassortment of genes in a large population with a large gene pool will lead to the formation of new genetic recombinations. These new genetic recombinations will cause the crossing over of genetic genes, genes during meiosis 1, and it causes the genetic variability. Genetic variability will cause us the formation of new species. Generally, when you see the significance of the when you see the genetic significance of modern synthetic theory, this is the most advanced theory of evolution. Darwin theory of evolution is explained in the light of genetics, Mendel laws, population genetics, and biological species concept. According to this theory, natural selection is the result of differential reproduction of genotypes and genes. This is the gist about the modern synthetic theory. Modern synthetic theory was proposed by Fisher, Sewell Wright, Stebbins, Ernest Mayr, Haeckel, Huxley, and Dobzhansky. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.